So, over these years, Apple has released wide range of iOS phones on the market, starting from the iPhone 2007 model till the almighty iPhone 15 series. This is a huge gap. This is a big difference. Now, looking at this big difference, it makes the older model of iPhone feels kind of outdated. Yes. Now, how does it feel to be using outdated iPhone in 2023? How does it feel to be using iPhone 5 in 2023? Let's find out. Now, iPhone 5 was released in the year 2012, and in Ghana here, we Ghanaians nicknamed the phone for girls' phone. Yes, you only understand this if you are a legend. When I say legend, I mean in Ghana here, when you buy iPhone 5, you don't need to get a girlfriend. Automatically, the phone will get you a girlfriend. Yes, the legend knows it. Now, talking about this phone's build quality, let's talk about the body. The body seems small but cute. It fits perfect in a pocket but feels tiny in the hand. Yes, but the most interesting part is I have been using this phone for the past 7 years and the skin seems to be okay, just slight scratch, but beside that it is still strong. Now the biggest issue here is that Verizon no longer supports this phone. This phone no longer gets iOS update. Aside that, all your favorite apps no longer work here, like TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, and many more. But you can use your browser to stream YouTube videos, which seems pretty okay. The screen looks pretty better indoor, but outdoor it feels bad. The camera takes good photos, but can't be compared to today's iPhone 2023 here. It stands no chance. If you are planning to be using this phone as your daily drive, then you must think about the battery, because the battery is no good. In 2023 here, it is no good. The phone supports no wireless charge, no fast charge. In 2023, think about it, because this phone cannot stand against 2023 phones. Aside that, I can say the phone still looks pretty cute, but just think about it. I know for sure it stands no chance in 2023. So if you are thinking about getting this phone in 2023, sorry for you. In Ghana here, we might consider this phone as a yam. Yes, when I say yam, Ghanaians, typical Ghanaian knows about it. Yes, you can use this phone as yam, but don't use this phone as your daily drive. It stands no chance in 2023. Yes, this is Civic Tech. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Peace out.